Our first subject we had this morning was on advocacy and the issues surrounding right to repair. We have to follow this legislation. It's going to have an effect upon our manufacturers, and we need to make sure that it is tailored with our needs in place and not negative to our business. Another one was the ConExpo and the results of ConExpo. We had over 2,835,000 square feet of exhibit space. That is the largest show in North America. We had about 128,000 people register and come through, and this year we had our Tech Experience, and the Tech Experience had over 85,000 visits by people that went to see all that, and it was an absolutely stunning set of equipment and new ideas for the future. Another thing that we had today in the meeting was a presentation by Bill Toohey from ARTBA and asking for help from AEM in regards to building an economic expressway. In other words, bringing a lot of different members to the table to promote a national infrastructure, national freight infrastructure, and support the infrastructure bill that we hope will get through Congress this year. With that, the board made a vote, the CE sector board made a vote to go to the main board for the tune of $200,000 to this on a 4-to-1 match. Yeah, we had a lot of conversation about Latin America and where we are. We have our own show, ConExpo Latin America, that's held in Santiago, Chile, and what other value can AEM bring to our members with participating in other shows in the market. And we've given our staff the goal to move forward with having discussions with other groups to try to tie in other shows that can benefit our members in the future. We had a lot of conversations regarding data, KRA, and telematics. There was a survey that was done of a number of people that came to ConExpo, and I think the information that's out of that is that everybody's approaching it from a different viewpoint of what they want. It turned out that GPS wasn't necessarily the top item that people wanted to get. Now, all of the manufacturers are moving forward with trying to collect the data, the telematics off these machines. And I think it relates to how do we collect it, what do we collect, how do we report it, and there was a lot of conversation about this as it goes into the future. And what goes back to the customer, and how is the customer going to use this, how are we going to benefit the customer?